The product that we'll be presenting to you in this video is Compact X. It is an idea driven by the necessity to organize the process of collecting and transporting garbage in any region. Compact X is a smart bin compactor which compresses the volume of the waste in an approximate 1:4 ratio. Along with easy transportation of waste, it also keeps a track of the level of waste inside the dustbin so that the garbage collectors can be notified on time. And an optimized garbage collection route can be designed. This will make the logistics of the garbage collection feasible and save time as well as cost of fuel. Disposable plastic bottles and containers take up a lot of volume. There is a high potential of saving space if the air is removed. Here is where Compact X comes into play. It is an eco-friendly garbage collector and compactor bin integrated with an Archimedes screw mechanism which compresses plastic bottles and plastic containers and has potential to compact paper, cardboard, domestic waste as well. With the mechanism, it reduces the plastic waste multi-fold. Since at least 20% of Compact X would contain the machinery and mechanisms required to compress the garbage, it could be argued that this offsets the reduction of volume due to compaction. But our calculations show that the excess volume occupied by a lot of garbage makes the compaction ratio 4:1, which increases the capacity of the Compact X 4 times any regular dustbin. There could be a possible damage to the machinery because of the garbage. We solved the problem by putting a slanting opening outside Compact X that makes sure that the garbage directly goes underneath the separated compartment where the machinery exists. This ensures that the garbage and the machinery never come in contact. Any garbage can be susceptible to fire related hazards, as some of the garbage can be inflammable or volatile. Garbage like cigarette butts, etc., could put the machinery under risk. For this purpose, there is a mechanism inbuilt in the machine to detect possible fires and deal with them immediately. There is a sensor inside Compact X that keeps a track of the garbage inside the dustbin. Whenever Compact X reaches 75% of its volume, it sends an alert to the person responsible for garbage collection, and consecutively an optimized garbage collection path can be structured. The transportation of the waste becomes extremely efficient, as not only does the waste become reduced and compact in size, it also increases the amount of waste a garbage collected truck can hold. This saves effort in time as well as fuel for the garbage collectors. During compaction process, if an external entity like an animal tries to enter the bin through the opening, or if a person tries to put waste, the IR sensor at the opening would sense it and the compaction process would stop.